and detection system is a critical life safety system of a building. And the determining factors for when a fire alarm and detection system is required by the building code, for example, the International Building Code, is generally related to occupancy as the key. And when I say occupancy, is it a residential building? Is it a place of public assembly? Is it a business building? For example, there are not a lot of requirements for fire alarm and detection in low-rise business use buildings in the International Building Code, for example. But if you get into a residential occupancy, now you're going to find a lot more requirements because of the principal threat of people sleeping in residential occupancies for smoke alarms and for fire alarm and detection systems. So a fire alarm system is basically a system that is comprised, the main component in it is a fire alarm control panel. That's the brain of the system. And then the peripheral wiring that goes out to the initiating devices, such as smoke, heat, could be flame detectors. And those are the devices that are going to basically detect the abnormal products that we find when a fire develops, whether it be smoke, heat, flames, etc. And then you're going to have a notification circuit that's part of that system that's going to be either horn, strobes, bells, could be visual signals, could be textual signals. So when one of these detectors goes off, that system alerts those notification devices and sounds an audible or a voice message within the building to tell the occupants of the building they need to respond appropriately.